Welcome my friends. Today we will learn how to use the draw toolbar in ArcMap. So let's get started. This is my polygon I have imported to use this draw toolbar. Okay, you want to describe this polygon, then use the draw toolbar. I will click on the text, and this is the dam river basin. Okay, select all and select the first select and select the size. You can change the location and you can also change the text also. There is a lots of list. You can change the different type of styles. Okay, you can also keep as a bold, italic, and you can also change the color also. I will change as a color, and you can also fill the background of this river basin. Okay, in you can by using this zoom to selected, you can zoom this particular text. Okay, now we will use the rectangular. You can easily calculate the rectangular portion. If you want to suddenly calculate the area, you can also drag it as a rectangle and right click on it and go to properties. You can easily find the area. This is the area in square kilometer. You can also change in acre, area, hectare. You can also click on the hectare. Okay, I will give you example. Okay, zoom to the particular location. This is the Khasra map, and now I want to find the volume of this particular Khasra. So select the polygon and click on the when you click, then okay, sorry, this is extended this much. You can also go to the edit option also by double click on it. When you double click, then this option will be activated. This option will be activated. You can delete the vertex or change the vertex also. Okay, in this way your you want to find the area. This is the area 2.19 hectare of this particular Khasra area. Perimeter, and you can also find the center, size, and you can also find the latitude and longitude. You can also change the color, and in this way you can digitalize this whole area. Okay, you can also keep in a front or back. I will show you. You can also rotate it if you again want to rotate in a left. Okay, and you can keep in a bring to front or bring to back. This data will be bring to back. If you have lots of drawing, then you can bring forward or bring backward. Okay, This is the only one layer, that's why it is not going backward. In this way you can this toolbar, by using this toolbar you can create your map very creative, very creative. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please share and subscribe my channel.